So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy GameStop stock, ticker symbol GME, here on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right, press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top here, type in ticker symbol GME. At the top, there's GameStop, press on that. Now once you're on GameStop, go to the bottom left and press on the orange trade button, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can go ahead and change the session type, the order type from market to limit. You can also go with the quantity as well. So for example, if you wanted to buy one share, at this moment in time, it would cost you $27.42 USD. And once that is all done, and you want to proceed, press on the green buy button and then go through the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy GameStop stock, ticker symbol GME on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.